Zimbabwe ex-political prisoners, detainees and restrictees association, ZEPPDRA, national chairpersons Victor Panganai Kuretu has died. Was 83. Salambira mashoko buda pangu aina chinokanzwa veterans leader ayo otisiya oruma pasi. Rubo subscribe or like on the bell. Uchimina muna mubla nyukwamchenzi. Kuretu passed away on August 7, 2025 at St. Anne's Hospital in Harare after a short illness. President Emerson Mnangagwa has since declared him a national hero. The announcement was made on Saturday by Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution for Harare Metropolitan Province, Senator Charles Tavengwa, at the Kuretu family home in Mfakos. In quotes, President Mnangagwa, who is the first secretary of the partisan PF, is conferred national hero status on Kuretu. Tavengwa said he will be interred at the National Heroes Acre at a date to be advised. The president considered the role played by Kuretu during and after the liberation struggle and deemed it fit to accord him this highest honor. Kuretu was born on March 3, 1942 in Guero. He completed his primary and secondary education in the city before training as a teacher in Mtare. While in Mtare, he became ZAPU Youth Secretary for the Sakuva branch and later rose to the position of Deputy Regional Secretary for Manicaland Province. His political activism led to repeated persecution by the Rhodesian regime. He was first arrested in 1962. After his release, he was arrested again in 1965 and detained at Sakuva police station in 1966. He was sent to Konakuzingwa restriction camp, where he remained until his release at the end of 1970. Undeterred, Kuretu continued his involvement in liberation movements until independence in 1980. After independence, he worked for Deribod Zimbabwe while remaining active in the party structures, serving as ZAPU district chairperson from Fakos. Following the 1987 Unit Accord, he held various positions in the ZANU-PF from district to provincial level and eventually became a member of the National Consultative Assembly. Mashoko ari kubuda panguva ine pamusoro paKuretu. Tudze mafungiro enyu motibudei pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu. So subscribe, like, share on the bell icon.